Hello guys, welcome to Excel series. As we were learning about all the options in Excel today, we will learn about this sum sign option under the home tab. So this option have a drop down and it contains some function like sum, average, count number, max, minimum, and more function. For example, I want to calculate the sum of these monthly sales. So if I click here, so I want sum in this cell. So I go some different options here. This is a new option added in Excel. So go over here. I have average, count number, max, minimum, variation, and more function, etc. But as we were learning about that function, so we will do this function from the option, that option. So for example, I want the sum of this function. I go over here and click on the sum, and there's a shortcut or plus equal as well. Let's do the sum first. Clicking here, you can see I got the sum. But if we undo this by going over here, so let's press the shortcut or n equal. This will give you the same result. Then we have average. We'll click on average. Now we have average of these numbers. Then we have count numbers. This will count the numbers. How many times it appears. For example, there are 10 rows, so it counted 10. And then we have max. This will show the maximum number in this month. And then we have minimum. This will show the minimum number in this data. And then we have more function option. What is this option? So if you click on this, this will give you a detailed information about the function you have just used. This is the function total function. This is telling me about the function. So this is the function number. And then we have reference one. So showing the reference, we can add more references. But for now, we only need one reference. So we don't need any more references. And then let's cancel this. I'll show you the difference. For example, I added a function, if function here. If I go over here and wanted to know about this function and I want to add it a bit more, then I can go to more functions. Now this function have two options, two arguments. One is good and not good. So function are like ingredients. So you need to tell the machine what you have to do. For example, you got a coffee machine. So you have to put sugar in, milk in it, then it will, and coffee in it, and then it will make the coffee. Without the ingredients, machine don't know what to do. The function is like a machine. You have to provide argument. So it know what can I do. For example, I have provided the argument that if the cell value in the P column is greater than 10,000, then give the rating of good, and if otherwise not good. So everything is good. Just these two ratings are not good because this is less than 10,000. So hopefully you understand what does this function do in Excel and know more about function arguments. If you like this video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this.